The whole point of the exercise was to get this far in the process. Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Making a hitch for the tractor. Yeah, it's running. Now I got to make a hitch for it because I want to tow a roller around the yard. And without the hitch, I can't get to it. Right now, the bagger on the back of it covers up the main hitch on the tractor that it came with. So I need to make an extension. To do that, I'm going to drill a piece of steel. I need to make a 5/8 hole on one end and a 1/2 inch hole on the other. First thing I need to do is mark where I want to have the holes drilled. I've already marked these out and know what the distance is, so it's pretty easy just to spot a hole in there and put it in. I'm going to drill a 5/8 hole. I'll give it a shot of this industrial spray for cutting and drilling. Just like butter. Flat washer, 1/2 inch lock washer, and a 1/2 inch nut. And I am golden. Now I just need to tighten that up. There. So. Okay, we got a 5/8 hole drilled in the back end of it. After some investigation, there's no point on this ignition switch that lets me ground out the ignition coil. So, I bought this switch here, which claims it is a momentary switch. This little rubber cap on it. It's supposed to be water resistant. Well, you know, resistant just means it doesn't really accept water if it's asked nicely to attend. I'll bet some of you were wondering why I was using a 5/8 drill on that hitch so much. Well, it's because that's the size I needed for this switch. And I knew that if I brought it up, I'd be able to use it for both. So I want to have this on the same side as the ignition switch so I can do this right-handed. Just going to pop a mark in there. And just poke a 1/4 inch hole here. Very good. Five-eighths hole here. Perfect.
It's nice having daylight to work in. Another opportunity to use the little Metalman. I like this welder.
Yeah, you're going to put some tacks on this thing. Using the little Metalman.
Even maxed out, 75 amps isn't enough to do an 8-inch rod. Just a little too cold.
Whole idea of the thing is just to get it out past the bagger so that I can run the bagger.
Switched over to 3/32, getting a lot better burn.
Ah, the smaller rod burns a lot better.
The tip of the hitch is just a little bit too wide with that 3-inch plate, so I'm going to cut it down.
There. Now I'm going to round off the corners with a flap wheel. Now the hitch is all done, I can start putting the bagger on. I got the hitch on solid. It's going to extend out past the grass bagger, so I'll be able to use the cart and the roller. So now I need to load up the bagger. To do that, it's supposed to be pretty simple. You just drop this down into that. But the two legs are not exactly the same width, so I have to kind of fiddle with it. Make everything go. There, now we're solid. Alright, now I can put these pins in. Which are kind of a pain in the neck, because they don't really want to go. One. This is the one that's the real problem. Because the bar actually extends below the fender. There, I got it. Okay. Now flip that forward. No bench space out here. I've got it all covered with stuff.
After a little more than 2 months of work, I finally get to do the thing that I wanted to do in the very beginning of the project. There's the mower. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.